Welcome to Auto Reviews. The 2025 Suzuki RM-Z450 continues the brand's legacy as one of the most reliable and balanced motocross bikes in the 450 cubic centimeters category. Built with Suzuki's winning balance philosophy, this machine focuses on delivering peak performance, agile handling, and consistent control, making it a top contender for riders who value precision over flash, engine, and performance. At its core, the RM-Z450 retains the proven 449 cubic centimeters DOHC single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine. While the design remains largely unchanged from previous years, Suzuki has refined the ECU mapping for smoother power delivery and improved throttle response. The result is strong mid-range torque and predictable top-end pull, ideal for both aggressive racers and weekend riders. Handling and suspension. Suzuki has always been known for exceptional cornering, and the 2025 RM-Z450 reinforces that reputation. The lightweight aluminum frame offers superb rigidity, paired with a Showa coil spring fork and rear shock for better bump absorption and stability. Adjustments to damping and rebound make the suspension more forgiving on rough terrain without compromising race-level sharpness. Electronics and features. The RM-Z450 includes the Suzuki Whole-Shot Assist Control (SHAC) system, giving riders a choice between multiple launch modes for optimal starts. The traction management system also returns, helping maintain grip in loose or slippery conditions. Combined, these electronic aids make the bike easier to control under pressure, especially in competitive race environments. Design and ergonomics. The 2025 model keeps Suzuki's bold yellow race livery but adds sharper graphics and a slightly slimmer seat profile. The bodywork remains practical, designed for smooth rider movement during aggressive cornering. Attention to weight distribution ensures the bike feels light and predictable, even when pushed hard on tight circuits. Final verdict. The 2025 Suzuki RM-Z450 might not be the most technologically advanced bike in its class, but its reliability, balanced performance, and handling precision make it a strong and trusted choice for serious riders. For those who value consistency and confidence over constant innovation, the RM-Z450 remains a machine that simply gets the job done, and does it well. Auto Reviews, your source for honest motorcycle insights and performance reviews.